Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Rolling here in the, the non-Fox. This is the work truck. And we're actually heading down to my shop. Now, I haven't talked a lot about my shop, and the only reason being is I haven't really had a chance to yet. The plan is to tell you guys a little bit more about it and what I got in store for the shop in the very near future. So hang tight for now. But on today's episode, I've got a buddy coming by the shop that needs a hand with his Fox. Now, he has stumbled into a very good deal on a 93 notch, black on black, I believe, believe it or not. And he got it for a steal of a deal. Now, I'm not in the position to tell you what he paid for it. He may not, I don't know. But what I can tell you is this, he got it for a song. And yeah, from what I understand, it's a super clean car. We're going to be doing a gauge cluster swap on it. And I also believe maybe a headlight swap. And he's meeting me at the shop to do that. So you guys can have a quick tour. Alright guys, here's the black coupe, 93, very, very clean. Now this is my first time checking this car out, but yeah, looks like it's had a little bit of work done to it. Looks like we got a V2, got a trick flow kit, brakes are stock, it's been lowered, good looking stance, 10 wide SVEs in the rear, probably 8s in the front. Black guts. Now, I don't want to speak out of turn here. I forget what kind of transmission it is. It's actually an auto, but it's a beefed up automatic transmission. Looks like cruise control, manual mirrors. I don't know if maybe those were changed after the fact. Well, it's got the cup holder console. Anyway, this is new to my buddy, so we're gonna run a little bit of a forensic operation on it. Now I think, if I'm not mistaken, we got a fresh set of headlights for it, and we're flipping the gauge cluster and dash bezel out of it. So I'll maybe post you guys up and show you what we got going on. Now, I do have to run you guys around the shop here and show you the shop. I've kind of talked about this big girl here on one of my shorts. 78, 1 ton, regular cab, long box, dually with a Cummins. Now, it's had a 5-speed put in it. I don't want to go on and on. I'll maybe save that for another video for you Chevy guys out there that are interested in that one, but we'll keep her Fox related on this one. Anyway guys, I'll maybe touch base with you here in a minute. We're just going to get started on this guy, so hang tight. Okay guys, status update here. Old dash is out. So this being a Canadian car, we're trying to figure out why it's got a mile/hour speedometer in it. And I was just telling my buddy here, I get a lot of questions on the 220 digit here on the speedo. Well, we're in kilometers per hour up here in the Great White North, so we're not doing 220 miles an hour anytime soon, especially in these old Foxes. But yeah, we're going to a km/h speedometer. And here's where we're at interior wise. So we kind of blew everything out, got some of the dust bunnies out from behind the dash, and we're piecing together some screws. Anybody that's worked on one of these old Foxes knows the screws get turned around and put in different places and stuff, so we're reorganizing and making it right. Okay, back together. We got the km/h fresh gauges in, and actually, well, one or two fresh set of switches here, because we had a sun faded one. So, and now these parts actually came out of a guy's farmer's yard. We should probably even consider doing a video out there at some point in time, because this old boy has all kinds of old school Foxbody parts laying around. It's kind of a honey hole for us locals out here. But yeah, another Fox back all shined up. All right, guys, there you have it. 93 black coupe. I mean, just amazes me when those cars show up like that. You think that they, they're hidden in garages somewhere. And I mean, I guess this one kind of was, but guy wanted to part ways with it. And my buddy was the lucky purchaser. So anyway, yeah, super cool car. Now, I'll say it needs what I would refer to as a lick and a promise. Door rubbers were a little tired. For example, I'm getting picky here, but like driver's side door catch, right? Which quick fix, well, whatever, an hour of a guy's time, but that was broken on the driver's side. Little stuff, but what do you expect, right? These cars are pushing 30. So yeah, very, very cool car. Now, he mentioned that it might be coming back. Essentially, he wants to just get it up to maybe not full-blown like show winning standards, but bring it up to like decent enough showroom standards. Do all those little things, right? Paint the trim and shine it up. So yeah, glad I got to work on it. So hope you guys liked it, and good grief, does that thing sound good, hey? Whew. So thanks for watching, guys. Now again, I mentioned earlier the shop, when we get it set up in a proper format, I mean, a lot of my videos in the coming weeks or months are going to be filmed here, so I'll give you guys kind of a full-blown tour. We're still in sort of setup mode here. 5.4 on a pallet. There's all kinds of stuff. We just actually got brand new lights. We had the old gym. You guys remember those? They took like 10-15 minutes to warm up. So anyway, we're just slowly picking away at it and getting it ready to rock. But yeah, I'll run you guys around at a later date, give you more of the story as to what the shop's all about and where it's going. I think it should be pretty exciting times. So thanks for tagging along, guys. As always, I appreciate it. Reach out and say hi if you got any questions or comments. I love chatting with you guys, so please do. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye for now.